Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I have this Rose Quartz Magic no-sew journal kit to show you. So this kit is perfect for beginners because there's absolutely no sewing involved, and all you'll need to put this journal together is some glue basically. Okay, so I'll run through what the kit comes with first and then I'll get everything prepared and we'll get into putting it together. So there's a lovely cover. Then there are 3 sheets that have the pages for the journal on it. And then we have 3 sheets of ephemera and 1 sheet of pockets. So the way that this journal works is that the pages are nesting pages. So they do have to go in a specific order. But once we get to cutting it out, I can show you that you can actually have the pages one way or the other. You can decide which way you'd like to do that. So what I'll do is I'll go away and cut all of this out. Oh, I probably should also mention that the kit comes with 4 decorative papers, so you can choose which papers you would like to print on the backs of the pages and on the backs of the ephemera. So I'll go away and prepare everything, get all this cut out, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to put this beautiful little journal together. Okay, so I've cut everything out. So I've got some pockets over here, which we'll put in later, and then there's a whole stack of ephemera. So there's some tags, there's journaling cards, there's some fussy cuts, there's also a little notebook which I'll show you how to put that together, and a little potion bottle. So I'll put those aside for now because we want to put the actual pages into the cover first. So what I've done is I've cut out the cover, and then I've used my scoreboard and I've scored along the edges of where that spine is, and I've folded those. And then the pages are the same. So I said before that these are actually nesting pages, so their spine width is different for all 3. So what you can do with this is you can choose however way to orient the pages, but they still need to go in this order because they decrease in size. So what I'm going to do, I want to have the witch on the front, so I'm going to fold her that way. And then I think I might actually keep them all facing on the same side, but if you like, you can choose to turn them around and you can have the images on the insides and on the opposite pages if you like. But today I'm just going to leave it this way. All right, so I'll glue this. What I'll do is I'll glue the pages in, and then I'll put all of the pockets in, and then we'll go through and we'll fill it up with the ephemera. I'll just say here, so these pockets were on the same page same sheet as one of the pages, and I ended up printing one of the decorative papers on the back. And I actually think that instead of using the actual pocket side, I prefer this side because I'd like to put them on this heart print. So I think I'm going to go with that. I'll also say here that it doesn't matter where you put these pockets, it's entirely up to you. There's no specific place that they need to go, so it just depends on what you want to do with your particular journal. I'll say here too, with this stacking pocket, you can have it, or layered pocket rather, you can have it like this all the way together, or I think what I might do just to get a little bit more height is I might just spread them out a little bit. Okay, so this is a notebook cover that's included in the kit. So there's a band for the back of the notebook cover to slip into, and then there's a top for this. So I think I'm going to put this one on the back of the journal today, on the back cover. So I'll show you how this goes together. You'll need to get some tea-dyed paper or whatever paper of your choice for this one, and a stapler. Okay, so there's just one more thing to put together before we can start putting all of the ephemera in. So this is just a little potion bottle. So basically we want to use a very thin line of glue around the edges of the bottom pieces to put those together to make a pocket. And then we want to glue the two top pieces together so we can slip that inside. Okay, so I've finished putting this sweet little journal together. I'm not going to really do any decorating today because the purpose of this video was just to show you how this kit works and how this journal goes together. So you are free to decorate this in any way that you like and add your own unique personal touches to it. Okay, so let's take a look. So thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial. I hope you enjoyed putting together this Rose Quartz Magic No-Sew journal. Make sure you check the description down below for a link to my Etsy store where you can find this printable kit and lots of other kits for your crafting needs. Please also make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting videos, and you might also like to come and join my Facebook group where you can share your crafting projects and join in the fun.